And the markets, they have been under some pressure for some time now. We did see some recovery, but that was also sold into. So it's a good time to get a technical check on the markets. Hemen Kapadia of KR Choksi Securities is joining us now. Hemen, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, it's been a down day for our own markets after some rally that we've seen in the last couple of days. What are the charts suggesting now?
Good afternoon to you, Sonal. Thank you for having me on the show. Yes, like you said, we've had a run up and now we've finally seen a down day. The VIX has creeped up to 18. We were plus 18 20 minutes ago. So yes, the VIX is going up. We've walked into resistance, frankly speaking, into the one-way move, Sonal. And 6 gaps on the daily chart. One got partially covered up today. So it wouldn't be fair to say we needed a correction, but a correction would make the market healthy, which I believe has just commenced. We need to wait for the day and a follow downside on Monday when it breaks today's low. But we are on the cusp of giving a downward bar reversal today on the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. It's obviously we got 2 hours left of the market. So if the downward bar reversal comes in and on Monday we break today's low, that means the onset of a much delayed, much awaited correction. There's also been a huge call writing at the 18,000 level early morning, so I think more than 1 crore. So that doesn't happen very often. So I think everything seems to suggest we're walking into a correction.
Okay, the correction has been long awaited and delayed, but how deep is it going to be, Hemen? What are the levels that you'll watch on the Nifty Bank? At the current juncture, can someone go short? And then if you could take us through your trading ideas.
Oh, very valid question, Rima. We've had 6 gaps as far as the Nifty is concerned. So in terms of levels, I'd say 17,700, 17,550 and 17,248. These are the 3 possible levels on the downside as far as the Nifty is concerned. Yes, and coming back to your question, a small bounce we are at. The Nifty spot is currently 17,776, Rima. Anything closer to 17,830, 840 should be good enough for a short with today's high as a stop loss. Equivalent levels for the Bank Nifty is, I believe, we are at 39,036. Anything closer to 39,250 and 300, between 250 and 300, I think would be a decent level to go short. And in terms of individual stocks, I think I have all sell calls because, certain confirmations haven't, but the market seems to suggest heaviness. Okay, firstly, a sell on BEL, Bharat Electronics. We made a high of 295, overbought, indicators giving crossover sell, hint of negative divergence. So sell BEL at 288, stop loss 296, target 272. Secondly, a sell call on Coromandel International, but there's a conditional sell call. We need to wait for a small bounce at 1040, sell. Stop loss 1070, target 960. Same logic applies, rounding top, negative divergence, crossover sells, lower top, lower bottom. And lastly, a sell call on Bank of Baroda at 122, stop loss 126, target 114. Almost similar logic, on the verge of breaking a demand line, negative divergence, slightly crossover sells. We're setting the stage for a small decline.
Okay, all right, Hemen, thanks a lot for joining us.